They did what, Tom? I can't even believe you just said that.
Where's the key? Where's the key?
Oh, did you just give it to him? Hey, let me call you right back.
Oh, what's that?
What the hell? Why are you throwing your pipes around?
That's not cool, Tom.
Who put that in my backpack?
No
Who put that in my backpack?
It's your backpack. I don't know.
It wasn't in there because I don't carry that shit around in my backpack. Why would I fucking need a light bulb? You guys are idiots. You guys are that fucking shallow-minded. Like, you guys go, oh, I have a light bulb in my backpack?
Tom, what would you do if I came over?
It's your backpack.
Oh, what would you do if I came over to your house? Or whatever, and started fucking tying tampons and shit on your fucking backpack, lock up your fucking bike, and beat it to the whole fucking thing?
You pretty much just did, Tom. Sweep up that fucking glass.